Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a gorgeous DEK haul. Now, I wanted to also remind you guys that I have a couple of videos up on my Hobonichi, DEK Hobonichi storage, and I keep it by the month. And then I also have my little box here that I love. And literally, I was unboxing today, and as I go through this package, and I have one other on my video as well, I will just load them in the appropriate spot, and then I just file it away and I'm good to go. And it takes me that long to decide what I'm going to do for them for whatever week or month I'm working on. So, all right, I just thought I would again show you guys all the good stuff. All right, so let's see. Okay, let me adjust this very quickly. There we go. Sorry, I didn't realize we weren't totally centered here. Sorry, guys. It has been a crazy tax day trying to get 3 returns completed and out the door, a 4th one finished, and I think we have a stack of 3 or 4 for the weekend. So it is, it's tax time. So anyways, all right. So this is DEK. I've already taken it out of the package and took my receipt out. Just because. Okay, so these are all extras. I think I ordered that, but these are all extras. So if you don't know, down below will be the dekdesigns.com link, the discount code that you can enter in the discount code area. It'll give you 15% off everything that's not a subscription box or kit or a something that's on special. And then also, if you put KRIS in the comment box, you get freebies. I know. So look, first is this darling little floral paperclip bookmark. That's the word I'm looking for. Sorry, guys. It's been a long day. It was a long night, too. And then here is the PR team. And I love is that pink? It's a pink foil. I love that. So, and then this is just another beautiful gold bow strips, bow box, and then, HumpDay, Happy Mail, things like that. So, yes, I love all that. And so let's look at what's ordered. So first, here's a darling Boo Bear sampler. Boo Bear is just one of the darling characters that Dawn has developed for DEK. And I just think she's so cute. And of course, she's drinking that coffee, and that looks so good to me. Now, I ordered 2 of these. So one I previously shared in a previous haul, and I am using that in my husband's. I'm taking the June subscription box and making a Father's Day gift for him. And I've already started it with a video here with a couple of videos, what I'm going to use, and then setting up the initial setup. And then I grabbed some of these today and stuck that in that, and then this came, or in that, that envelope, and then, that and that. And then this is for my planners. So I just love it. I think it's darling. I will probably use this on Father's Day or in my memory planner. I tend to take these 2-page kits and I use them in my memory planner because I just think they're so sweet. So I love that, but I could use it for June as well for Father's Day. And oh, I'm so sorry. Let me go back. I just whipped right through there. That one's called Honeybee. So you can see it's gold foiled. It's just beautiful. And again, these are such affordable kits. They're 2 pages. It's so nice. And of course you have the washi, additional decorative headers, functionals, and then day covers, which I love. All right, the next one is just peachy. I love this one. I love it. So pretty. I know. And we are picking peaches like crazy right now. So that's definitely going in my June, June something, whether it be for the planner or for my memory planner. But it's a 2-pager, which is what I tend to use for my memory planner. And I love all of this washi. It's so beautiful. I love the date covers, and I really love the font on that. Really pretty. And of course, in my memory planner, I don't always use the functionals, but every now and then I do because it's interesting, right? Okay. In the Garden is one of my all-time favorite kits. This is my 2nd one I've ordered. I will use this in my, this is the abbreviated version that I will use in my memory planner. I absolutely adore this one. I think it is so gorgeous. I used it, I think, last week. Pardon me, I choked. Pardon me. Goodness. In my garden journal. So I just love this. I think it's going to be perfect in my memory planner because it's all about gardening for us right now. Hold on one sec. Sorry, guys. I am just having a hard time today. sip of kombucha. We have been working so much and we have so many allergies. And one of my blood tests that came back from the doctors was elevated, and we couldn't figure out what does that indicate, because I know that it can't be great news. And sure enough, it may be indicative of allergies right now, which my husband and I have had a lot of allergies. So with all this rain, we are getting more rain, guys. We are getting rain all next week. Please be in prayer for us. There is now massive concern in this area about flooding, and there is some, low water flooding. There's no doubt. So, low level flooding right now. So anyways, we don't have to water our garden, and that's a blessing. Rainwater is always a blessing. And we also have a rain containment set up, a rainwater containment set up. And so it's not been completed yet. We have the tanks, but we haven't gotten the gutters set up. So pray we can get those gutters set up, because pretty soon we're going to be dry this summer. So I keep telling my husband, we got to hit it. We got to hit it. Okay. Back to our regularly scheduled program here. This one is called Fleur. I have used this before. I've had a version of this for my I think for my Hobonichi, and I love this. It's got the tulips, and it's just gorgeous. There's a place in Fredericksburg, Texas, that has, it's called the Wildflower Farm. Wildflower Farm. I think it's farm. Anyways, gorgeous, gorgeous place, and you see that site just like that. It's just breathtaking, and yeah. So I love this. Anything flower, you guys know I love. I also love that it has kind of a mauve or purplish tinge to it. So I don't know, I may put this in where I'm remembering my parents or something like that in my memory album. Now, English Cottage was another one that I adored. So if you haven't noticed, some of the favorite kits that I loved, Dawn has done a great job in making these into 2-page kits. And so they're perfect for my memory planner. So I absolutely love this. We live in a 1938 farmhouse. It's a craftsman style home. It feels very cottagey, and my husband and I were just talking that the craft cottage will be painted the way I want it to be painted. I'm not trying to make it sound like he didn't want me to do it. He wanted to do it. And I said, no. Since it's so close to your office, we need to make it match. And then I looked at him and I said, what am I saying? We're talking about trim and a door. Yeah, we can do white with pink. That'll work. So anyways, he's so sweet about it. He's like, yeah, that's totally what we want to do. We'll do it that way. And his will be blue with white. Mine will be white with pink. And so anyways, we'll probably do dusty blue and dusty pink, and it'll all be good. So this kind of reminds me of it. And this will be, when we paint those, that will be the kit that I will use in my memory planner. And of course, the gorgeous washi, the date covers, and then the functionals. So I love the Dream. It does have a lot of purple. When I looked at it, I thought about my parents. You guys know, you guys that are part of the channel, which, by the way, welcome to all of our new friends. And thank you so much for being here, all of our longtime family members here, La Familia. And if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you. And if you're new, say hello, because I love to say hello back. And it really helps our channel to grow when you leave comments and you like and you do all that good stuff. And I really appreciate it. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps. And but I'm going to be doing a couple of, 3 memory albums, one for me, one for my sister, one for my brother, of my parents. And so I'm trying to find things that have lots of purple in them. I have 3 paper kits from Stamperia. I have bits and pieces from DEK and just other things. And so things like this that remind me of their colors. It's not exactly what I would do for them, but, my mom did love arts and crafts and things like this. So that might be enough to make me order 2 more, just to put in their kit, or their little memory album that I'm going to be making. But the washi alone, it's beautiful. I think it would be beautiful. I think that would be neat. And then Purple Dreams. Yes, I love that. Definitely would do the heart for my parents, the teacup, ice cream. My dad loved ice cream. I think that would just be wonderful, and that would be perfect for them. And then, and actually, let me show you something. All the caregivers, that would be very, reminiscent of all the caregivers. So, and for those of us who would go back and forth, well, you know, my family mainly, we go back and forth. My sister would visit once every month, maybe once every month or two. And I think that would be fun. And so, yeah. But and the butterflies would be pretty too, because my dad was a huge gardener. So, of course, both of these are perfect. I think they would be beautiful. And everything else, I can definitely find a spot to use it. So, again, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and leave a comment. I would love to know which one was your favorite. What do y'all think about the extra goodies? And if you want to get anything for yourself, and you're just starting out as a planner or as a junk journaler, or even in your scrapbooking or memory keeping, or even in your Bible journaling, you can just get the 2-page sheets, and they work perfectly because you have decorative on one with some blank headers, and then you have washi, and it's perfect. And even if you didn't use the Monday through Sunday, you can use that in your journaling, and you can use that in your scrapbooking just for fun every now and then. So I think that there's a lot to be said for using these kits in those types of projects. I think it works out well. So that information is listed below. Also the discount code. Also the way to get freebies. Because I sent you there, they'll give you extra goodies. Dawn is very sweet about that. And yeah, okay, friends. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and so very, very lovely. Thank you for being here. Come on back. Come watch me play, because I cannot wait. I have been doing all kinds of like mini memory album projects, and I cannot wait to do the year-long one. And get everything caught back up picture-wise. I have all my pictures printed out right there, and I'm so excited to do that with you guys. And I may not share all the pictures because of family privacy, and I try to respect my family's requests, but I can share with you the layout for the scrapbook page, and I think that's always fun too. And yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer anything I can. And again, just y'all be safe, take care, have a great day, and I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.